Hi there! Welcome to another help video. In this video, I want to go over how to access a personal account for the personalities we discussed in the previous video. Let's begin. First, go to the top right hand corner, and as you can see it says admin and then switch in parentheses. Right now, I am logged in as an administrator, meaning I have more access than a personality would. As administrator, I have the ability to select a personality's account, which will give me access to their personal account menu. So when you click this button and go to access personal account, right now I do not wish to use a personal account, thus I'm logged in as an admin. However, when I click this, all the personalities that we created in the previous video have popped up. So I'm going to click Average Joe to log in as them. As you can see, it says viewing as Average Joe, but it still says admin on the top. Since I am still logged in as an admin, I still have the ability to access all the things I normally would as an admin. I'm just viewing as Average Joe. So I'm going to go to my account on the left here, and as you can see, there's 4 sections. I'm going to go into these one by one. First, my profile. We went over this page in the previous video, so I will not be going into detail about it. However, I want to note that the administration options are not shown since they are only available for higher level users. So since I'm viewing as Average Joe, I do not have the ability to see those options. Next, I'm going to click My Blog. Here is where the personality will be able to add new posts or see their current posts that have already been published. They also have the option to edit them or delete them as well. Next, you go to My Pages. Very similar to my blog, here you can just create a new one, edit them and add new stack items to the pages, or delete them. And finally, Facebook Connection. Facebook Connect allows personalities to push their blogs to Facebook. I want to note that it is very important that admins allow the personalities to connect to Facebook themselves. I will show you how the personality themselves can log in just one moment. First, I'm going to log back into as admin. I want to show you that as admin, you can view all pages for all the personalities under the Personality and Staff Pages tab. So go to Menu and Pages, Personality and Staff Pages. Here, you can see the sample pages that Average Joe has created. However, if more of your personalities created more pages, they would all pop up as well. Now, you may be wondering, how can a personality post their own blog pages or create their own Facebook connection? This is managed under Settings. So go to Settings, Manage Users. Here is where you could give access to your personalities to their own pages. So add a username, create a password for them, enter their email, and then click what personality. Then click Add User. Average Joe already has a login, so I'm going to log in as them. So I'm going to click Log Out, and then I'm going to log in as Average Joe. Now that I'm logged in as Average Joe, all I can see on the sidebar here is my account because that's all he has access to. So same options that we just went over. Here they could edit their profile, add blog posts, add pages, and create their own Facebook connection. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.